Hey guys, Tiffany here, and today I am going to show you a craft that is so easy. We're literally going to just take letters, glue them on blocks. That's it. So this is for the person that says, I can't do crafts. Honey, this video is for you. So I went out to Hobby Lobby and I picked up some letters for $1.29 each. That's all I paid. So I picked up an L, a V, and an E. And then I picked up some hearts, and the hearts were $2.99. So I just picked those up, and I got 4 blocks. You can either use fence posts. These fence posts are cut to 4 inches. That's what I'm going to use. Or you could use 2x4s, or you could use 2x3s. Or if you wanted to, if you had some extra MDF board laying around, you could even do those. I just glued 2 pieces together, and then it's real thick. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use a fence post, but those are your options. Super easy. So get some paint, get 4 pieces of scrap wood, go out to Hobby Lobby, get your 4 things to glue on the front, and that's it. Super easy. So make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, because in a few weeks we're going to have a DIY mural and we're going to have St. Patrick's Day wreath. So let me show you what we need to do. Look how obnoxious this brush is. And I'm going to use it today. Ew. There's crap in it too. Anyways, I am going to use it because I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum chalk paint just because it's a big opening for my giant brush, because I want to pretend like I'm Bob Ross today.
Who is Bobby Ross? Bobby Ross, we're gonna be Bob Ross.
You know, this would be a good craft for you to do with your kids because it's super easy and they would think that you're like some master crafter when you're just gluing letters onto something. Now, once all of your paint has dried, then we're just going to take these letters and we're going to take those out and glue them on. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, then you can just use Elmer's glue. It'll stick. It'll just take longer. Oh shit, I just broke it. Look what I did. Ain't nobody gonna see it. Wonder if I should go like that or like that. Eh. Let's just go straight. That's it for this week. I hope you had fun. See you next week.